Hi, my name's Grace Fox, and I am the 2022 recipient of the Imagine Lecture from BioCanRx. So with this award, I had the opportunity to attend the BioCanRx conference, learn from some of the speakers, participate in the conference activities, and even have had the opportunity to present myself. So my talk was titled A Bold New Frontier, Including Patients in Graduate Student Research. And my talk really focused on my experiences working with a patient partner throughout developing and conducting the various research projects that I worked on to meet the requirements for a Master's of Epidemiology degree. And throughout my talk, I highlighted some of the challenges that we experienced, as well as the successes. And I really hope that my talk inspired trainees to think about where they can fit patient engagement within their own research projects. I do want to thank Dr. Harold Atkins and Dr. Stephanie Michaud, who took the time to workshop my talk with me. Their mentorship has not gone unrecognized. And lastly, I want to commend BioCanRx for creating this award and allocating time during the conference to focus on patient engagement in research. And more than anything, I look forward to continuing to watch BioCanRx show their commitment to patient-oriented research and supporting trainees in furthering their professional development.